Good evening. I'm Kip Darling, and you're watching continuing coverage of The Search for a Supervillain. Joining us via satellite are Ratchet and Clank. The heroes who defeated Dr. Nefarious over 2 years ago. Ratchet, Clank, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us, Kip.
First, he was dead. Then he was status unknown. Now authorities have upgraded Dr. Nefarious to alive and at large. Will Ratchet and Clank join the search team?
Clank and I talked about it, and we both decided it's time to go back to the way things were, you know? Fixing ships, playing holo games till 3 in the morning.
So, Jonathan Rice, did you ever do hero work? Yeah. Ever since I met Ratchet and Clank doing adventure stuff. I've never missed years and years in life.
Leave the hero stuff to the other guys.
Like Galactic President Quark.
Yeah. Or anyone else.
Ratchet?
What? I didn't vote for the guy.
I believe what Ratchet is trying to say is, we have full confidence in President Quark's abilities, and I am sure he will not rest until Nefarious is captured.
I will do whatever I can until Nefarious is captured. Plus, right now, I gotta see my right ear. Bye.
Well, with that in mind, let's check in with President Quark at the presidential compound in Meridian City. President Quark? President Quark?
She was taking a memo. Good morning, citizens. I was just, analyzing. Ah, yes. These figures seem optimal. Very promising.
Sir, you're reading a cereal box.
Is there something I can do for you, taxpayer?
Yes, set me up. My mom was at work, so what is going to happen?
The Polaris Defense Force claims Lawrence teleported Dr. Nefarious to safety prior to the destruction of his space station. What measures are you taking to track down this fugitive?
Extreme measures, Kip. Every morning I wake up, I look around, I ask everyone I see, and so far, no dice. Hey, Zeph, you seen Dr. Nefarious? No! See? The guy's a ghost!
Dr. Nefarious escaped. We still gonna catch him. Even my mom's creeper, I'm not. We wonder that.
Then do you have a message for citizens who believe Dr. Nefarious is planning another attack?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
There
There
is
is no danger around.
Everything is under control.
As
So
long
relax,
as
kick back, and put your faith in myself and Vice President Scratch.
Thank you, President Quark. Coming up, 10 million ways your loofah sponge can kill you. Right after this.
This is never new. I've seen the news. I mean, come on, son.
I humbly accept this
Quark,
award for subduing the
come
insidious
on.
light-eating Zagroot against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Quark, doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
That depends. Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zagroot here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never heard anything like just war, just like I'm a vice president. Doesn't mean I don't know yet.
I never even heard of an Intergalactic Tool of Justice Award. Who did you say invited you?
Okay. Hope be safe.
I don't know. The guy was all cloak and dagger on the phone. But I'm sure the whole thing's on the up and up. Look at him.
Dad,
Peacefully slumbering
I
in the
don't
warm
think he's
embrace
safe.
of cryosleep.
That's one big monster.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Kronk and Zephyr.
Don't you think I should call Sonya and the others? 'Cause I might do that if I have to.
Oh, Ratchet. So young, so unused to the spoils of do-goodery. Don't worry. When you're a hero, you'll understand. House lights?
Well, hello, Mr. President! So kind of you to accept my invitation.
Dr. Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
Hey, I beat you once, we can do it again if I have to.
Now, you're hysterical. Let's see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a Zagroot!
Oh, goody. I get to reanimate something.
That's good. This is not that good. Oh boy. Great. You have to say?
Help me, Lawrence.
Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
Yeah, how are we gonna fix this problem? Uh-oh. Last night.
Well,
Yes,
it's been a lot of fun catching up, but I gotta go.
Nope.
So fast, Nefarious. You've done some underhanded things in your time, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your president.
I don't think it's gonna be a problem. That's one big ship and it's headed this way now.
That's not one of mine.
Then who is?
Disengaging primary cryo feed.
My God, I'm gonna go take a picture. Oh shit, Ratchet,
Oh, boy.
you feel upside down or something.
Clank!
Son, you okay?
I do not
think
know.
we don't know.
Have you located Quark?
I don't know.
Here, someone? I think my thing is broken.
Oh crap!
Oh, perfect.
Yay.
Can this get any
Yeah, you
worse?
watch, man.
Love me. Hold me like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
Someone hit that,
Would ya?
please. Thank you.
You twit! You dare lay your squishy hands on me? When I get down from here, I'll rip you in half!
Excuse me? What you doing up there?
Hey! Hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?
Aye, aye, Lumbex.
That bad. That might be that. Oh. These were beautiful.
A letter. And it's written in macaroni. Dear Lombax, these vac-yous will come in handy.
Vacuum?
Love, Susie.
Let's see. What? Sorry.
I'm trying. Maybe if I just...
Sorry. I'm okay. Oh.
We must all stay calm. We are going to have to work together until we find out where we are and how to get home.
Clank's right. For the sake of our own survival, and for drama, we must set aside our petty squabbles and act as a singular unit.
Boys, it will be easy and fun.